Today we're going to be starting the wrap on the car, but first I have to clean it because I went full driving last weekend and it's still absolutely putrid. There's still mud here from near them, wheels are cooked. But yeah, I'm going to start on the front and work my way back. But first of all, click the subscribe button because apparently 80% of you guys that are watching the videos are not subscribed. So hit that and let's get into the video. First of all, you're probably wondering what color the wrap is. Just hold on the phone a second. Leave a comment down below guessing what color you think it's going to be, and I'm going to show you guys soon. Also, peep the Livin 4x4 shorts, the best things ever. If you didn't cop any of them, you have lost the game. Alright, so the reason for washing this is because I need to clay bar the whole bonnet and the side panels and everything. I need to clay bar the whole car, but I'm starting on the front for this video. So I've got a lot of work to do on all this. It feels like sandpaper, it's bad. The paint on this, you probably can't see, is horrendous. Like that is like a scour on a sponge. I'm just using this Meguiar's clay bar. Comes with like a microfiber, a spray in it. Should be easy. I'm gonna get that done and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so this is the clay bar after doing one little pass on the side here. I've done just this area here. Look how dirty it is. That's after a clean. That is so much contamination on the paint. Let's keep going. All right guys, here is the wrap. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is the color of the wrap. It's a nardo gray sort of color. It's maybe a little bit lighter. It looks really good in this setting actually. So it's actually a little bit lighter than a nardo gray. It's done by Avery Dennison. I believe that's how you say the Avery, whatever. Anyways, so this is it up close, and in the light it's a little bit lighter than I wanted it to be, but it's gonna look sick either way. It's not quite the nardo grey you see on like an Audi or something, or like a new Ford Raptor or whatever, but it's gonna be way better than this poo bog stock piece of dump color right there. So I can't wait to lay that right now. All right guys, I've got the first bit cut out and ready to go on the bonnet. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Looks really good in the camera actually. It was bright for a second. It's looking really good. If this whole process goes well, I do want to start doing some other people's cars as like a little side business. As you all know, I am trying to get out of carpentry and this might be my way out. So if you do want to get your bonnet wrapped, your roof wrapped, or whatever wrapped, I can do it. Alright guys, it's now the next day and I'm doing one of the front guards. I've got it all nice and clean under here. The reason I'm doing it inside is because it's less windy and it's like 29 degrees outside right now. So I'm going to start laying this and show you guys the after. And bam guys, check it out. I have the panel fully done right now. It's kind of a little bit wacky because of the shade right now I'm in. I've just started washing the car so I can do the roof and all those panels, but just wait because I'll bring the car out into good sunlight and I'll be able to show you guys exactly what it looks like and without weird shadows on it. So just stay tuned and I'll show you guys that soon. All right guys, so I'm now doing the roof and I've got it all cleaned up and ready to go, but you can probably see on camera there's some dents in the roof. I must have had some bad hail damage. There's one there, and there's a little one there, and one on top of that just there. So it'll probably show in the wrap a lot because of the glossiness and stuff, but can't really do anything about that. But I did get these HILUX badges off and they're really bad. The glue actually has pulled the paint off around where the badge was. I've wheeled it, I've done everything I can, and it's really bad. All right, so it's been raining a bunch, as you can tell from the car. So I don't think I'm gonna get the wrap finished in this video, but this is what it looks like in sort of a not so shaded environment. And it looks really good, guys. The color actually changes a bunch as well. It goes from like super white to like a dark-ish gray as well. I'm pretty in love with the color. The roof's looking pretty good. Hopefully you can hear me over that wind. And yeah, I may have chopped all of my hair off. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, because I'm still not sure of it. I'm pretty happy with how the roof turned out. You can really see some of the dents in the roof. There's like 2 there and 1 here somewhere when you're looking at it from the side. But other than that, it's looking really good. I just really want to get all this done. The stainless steel snorkel is coming next week, guys. So next weekend we're gonna have a stainless steel snorkel on the car, and it's gonna look so good. And then I can finish wrapping that guard. And I'm in the process of installing some light bars, a winch, and a UHF as well. So videos coming on that. And it has just started raining again. So I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And let's try and get 200 likes on this video for the stainless steel snorkel. See you guys in the next video. Peace.